My name is Jennifer Ellis. I'm the president and CEO of Cosmetic Specialty Labs in Lawton, Oklahoma. This organization is actually chartered by our legislature to increase and partner and support manufacturing in our state. That is its mission. When you begin to partner with an organization like the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, you suddenly realize you don't have to figure everything out on your own. You know, they say it's not what you know, it's who you know. In a manufacturer's case, who you know is the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, because they have the resources. You don't need to have every resource for everybody in the state, because OMA does. The entire state benefits